Hello everyone. In this module, we will learn about short forms. What are they? Short forms are also called contractions. A short form or contraction is made by shortening or combining two words. So, to combine two words, we drop a letter or letters from a word and add an apostrophe in place of the word or words. For example, in the first example, there is I and am. So to join I and am, we can drop the letter A and in place of A, we can add apostrophe and that becomes I'm. In the next example, you and are becomes your. That is, we have dropped the letter A and we have added apostrophe in place of A. Then he and is will become his. That is, we have dropped the letter I and we have added apostrophe and it becomes his. They have. It becomes they've. That is, we have dropped two letters H and A and it becomes they've. Then we have I and have. It is I've. That is, again we have dropped two letters H and A. Next example, you and have. That becomes you've. It means we have dropped two letters H and A and we have added apostrophe in place of those two letters. Let us look at some more examples. I am hungry will become I'm hungry. You are very kind will become you're very kind. He is short will become he's short. They have kites will become they've kites. You have a big car will become you've a big car. I have a problem will become I've a problem. There are many more short forms or contractions in the English language. Let us take the word is first. So, if we join the two words it is, then we have to drop the letter I and it will become it's. She is. We have to drop the letter I and it will become she's. He is. Drop the letter I and it will become his. Now, let us take the word are. You are. Here, we can drop the letter A and it will become your. They are. Drop the letter A and it will become their. We are. Drop the letter A and it will become we are. Let's have a look at the word have. If we want to combine these two words I have, we have to drop the letters H and A and it will become I've. So in place of H and A, we have added an apostrophe. They have. So to join these two words, we have to drop H and A and we have to add an apostrophe and that will become they've. We have. To combine these two words, we have to drop H and A and it will become we've. Let's take the example of not. In this word, if we want to add did and not, we have to drop the letter O and add an apostrophe, then it will become didn't. Is not. Drop the letter O and add an apostrophe and it will become isn't. Do not. Drop the letter O in not and add an apostrophe, it will become don't. Does not. Drop the letter O and it will become doesn't. Have not. Drop the letter O and add an apostrophe, it will become haven't. Are not. Drop the letter O and add an apostrophe, it will become aren't. Remember children, cannot will become can't and will not will become won't because they do not follow the same rule. So, this is it in this video about the short forms and the contractions. Thank you for watching.